Greetings to all. Now we know the significance of the public relations to the business. So before going to that, we have to know what are the advantages of public relations. We have three main advantages, that is credibility, reach, cost effectiveness. So what is credibility? We know very well the public trusts the message coming from a trusted third party more than the advertised content. So for example, if you take Tata Group, they have used different types of ad agencies and then they promote the product. And for example, if you take the Tata Nano launch in India, directly the Ratan Tata has come to the picture and he announced the price of the product and the cost of the product, why they are introducing for the middle class family, so that they have to increase their credibility and they can easily reach the mass markets as well as they gain the attention of the customers, so that the relationship is very easy and then they can trust the more, so that we can increase our credibility. That is the reason today the Geo also, the Ambani will come and then they announced new plans. So it will create an awareness to the public as well as the credibility will increase. So here the credibility has plays a key role to maintain good public relations, so that there is no discrepancies between the public and the company. The second one is the reach. A good public relations strategy can attract many new outlets, exposing the content of a large audience. So every organization, they want to reach their products and their services at a large and for a long time. So that is the reason they want to use different strategies. It may or may not attract, but they always take it as a positive and they want to reach the public. Some companies, they may reach in appropriate manner due to the right channel they choose, or the sponsor will come and then any other sports person or else the movie star or actress, so that they can easily reach and they can easily get good relations with the public as well as the whole society. A third one is cost effectiveness. Public relation is a cost effective technique to reach large audience as compared to the paid promotions. If you take the comparison between the public relations and advertisements, advertising is most of the cases it is a paid form, whereas publicity it is a non-paid form. And most of the people they prefer the publicity rather than the advertisements today, because we have a huge free publicity channels, like we have social medias, YouTube channels. So Telegram today they play a key role, and some people they come to the Instagram and then they publish the products. We can the company directly come to and they can create their own web pages, Twitter pages, Instagram pages, so that they can reduce the cost when compared to the previous scenarios. In previous, we have to invest more on advertising and then we allocate a separate budget for advertising and promotion. But today we have decreased that particular budget and then we can increase the relationship with the public as well as the whole society. So that is the main advantages of public relations. And at the same time, we have disadvantages also. We have disadvantages also. What are those disadvantages? First one is we are unable to control the public relations. We know very well, because everybody has to post or everybody has to forward that message to all their groups. Because today every people they have their smart mobiles. They use the smart mobiles for forwarding messages, gaining knowledge, promoting their interested products, promoting their brands. So that it is today it is very easy to promote everything. Without your involvement, the people can promote you. Without you are paying a single paisa or a single rupee, they promote your product. That actually happened in present scenario. So that we don't have any control over the public relations, or else the campaigning, it may be a positive one or else it may be a negative one also. So we have both the edges. So we have no control over your public and then your messages. Second one is it is very hard to measure success. It is very hard to it is because it is really hard to measure and evaluate the effectiveness of a PR campaign. So it is a small mistake in that ad or any other thing, it may be a problem for your promotion. So today we have Ram Gopal Verma. He has created wonders. He has generated the money during the COVID situation. But here we don't measure that it is a success. It is not a credibility, or else it is not a measure for the success for that particular thing. So what happened? Even if you are having a good public relations, you know very well how to advertise, how to grab, or how to get attention from the customers or from the society. You can't measure it because it is very hard to measure in public relations. And the last one is no guaranteed results. Even though if you are using all positive channels, all the public should promote you, but there is no guarantee for your result. Publishing of a press release is not a guaranteed, as the brand doesn't pay for it. The media outlets publishes it only if it feels that I will attract its target audience. So there is no guarantee for your results. So these are all the disadvantages of the public relations. And the next one is significance of public relations. So first we start with raises awareness. Raises awareness. Why raises awareness? Yes, PR marketing makes people aware that you exist. When marketing your new businesses or existing product, a consistent public relation program helps to build general awareness of your product, also your brand or services, what we are offering to the public as well as the society. A public relations strategy also supplements any direct marketing and advertising efforts and helps to increase your website's rank in Google, so people can more readily find your business. So today the people are very aware about the websites and how to log into a website, and then how to get information about a particular product or else the brand, is it a reliable or not, everything they can get from the website. So we have to place our products or present scenarios in our website, so that it may be a wonderful one to maintain a good relationships, so that they can trust your products. Second one is it draws new customers. Another way the PR helps in marketing your new business to attract new customers. When your products or services receive press coverage, your brand gains credibility among the customers. They publicize your products. A positive news story about your business will influence customers to choose your brands, products or services over the competitors that get no media exposure. Today the media is also very crucial for getting new customers for your business. Sometimes you have to conduct a program, or else you want to telecast a program in a paid form also, because most of the customers they want to get new products or which is very reliable and trusted. So that we have to create by telecasting our new stories or success stories in media, so that they can trust and then buy your products. For example, in ETV news channel we have Yuva program, so that the people has come with new ideas, new ideologies, new thoughts, new businesses, or else how they are succeed in their business. Everything they have to show, so that the people will maintain a good relationship with those type of brands or products, so that we can create a trust among the customers, so that we can draw new customers for your business growth. Next one is it entices investors. So in marketing we can use the PR can attract investors to your brand, which is especially beneficial for your company. For example, it is a new company or else it is a startup. That is also a favorable condition that if you are enticing your investors, a careful planned PR strategy can generate positive media coverages. giving you a better negotiation position with potential investors. For this, you have to prepare a good project work, and then that project should have a feasible for creating the wonders in the market, or else it may grab new customers, or it's satisfying the new needs, or else it has a huge demand in the market, so that only the investors will interested towards our business. And next one is attracts employees. It attracts employees. So in addition to new customers and investors, it also attracts the prospective employees, those who are interested to join your company. That depends on how you are maintaining public relations. In simple words, public relation it deal with both the public and society, as well as it is allied with the promotional activities done by you, and then how your product or your brand is publicized by the public. That was the new ground for attracting new customers. By marketing your new businesses as an industry leader, you appeal to qualified individuals who wish to be employed by a successful business. PR marketing helps you and your business growth internally as well as externally. From rising brand awareness to attracting new staff members, the public relation may or can help in marketing your new businesses. In simple words, PR is highly beneficial to business growth and should be a cornerstone of your company's marketing strategy. So these are all very important aspects, and it also having a significant that it builds the brand image. It builds the brand image. We know very well every company they try to create a brand image of their particular company, and it boosts the target customers get to know about uh, it through a third party media outlet. A good public relations strategy help the brand build up its image in a way it wants to. That criteria or that strategy is regularly processed by the company, and then most of the companies they have to invest more on brand image, or sometimes they want to change their product features, or else they want to keep the same brand image for a longer time. So everything which is a possible one to build the new brand image, so that is the base is only the public relations. Next one is it's opportunistic. We know very well the public relations strategy make the brand capitalize on the opportunities. Even if you take the Google, already we have discussed that the promotion and donating to Ebola. So the Facebook also promoted LGBTQ rights, and Coca-Cola did a PR stunt against obesity. So these are all the opportunities even attract many influencers to share the brand story to their followers. It is an opportunistic thing in public relations. And next one is the promote the brand values. So it is a positive message which are in line with the brand's values and images. This builds up the brand's reputation. Every time we have to promote what are the values we have. What are the values we have? For example, in during the COVID time, the Tata company has announced 1500 crores. So Reliance company announced 500 crores. After that, again they want to announce 100 crores for Reliance Charitable Trust. So why? Because they want to promote their values. They are always work for the society. That message they have to share, and they want to grab the attention of the society, and they want to show that they are maintaining a good public relationships, and they want to promote their brand values. So all these are allied with the business, and then it may be a helpful for your business opportunities. Everything which will be for business opportunity. And the last one is strengthening community relations. Strengthening community relations. How we strengthen community relations? We have already discussed community relations. How community relations play a key role for success of your business. So every time we have to satisfy a number of customers. So it is not a possible one to satisfy all. And we have your company may have very less employees, less people to work on that, so that it may be a drawback for your company. So that if you have a community relations, so that we have to create a community group, and then we can bring all your customers into our community group so that they will discuss, and then they will solve their problems themselves, and the common problems will be shared by your fact column, so that we can strengthening our community relations. So if they are satisfied, or if they are treating that they are treated as the real owners of the company, and if you are showing more interest to maintain good relations, so that they will give a reference to the other people to buy your products, or to take your services, so that it may be a good for your business opportunities. So in this manner we have to strengthen our business opportunities, and here the thing is the public relations has a significance that every business has to stand and keep on public relations to gain, to get to success in the marketplace. So it is not a possible one, but if you are having a good public relations, if you are using good customer relationship strategies, so that automatically you can improve your business opportunities and you can gain the more. So we have some examples that how they are using public relations. So here the Google's CEO, we know very well the Sundar Pichai, and here is an example that he penned one note in New York Times, that is the public relation piece discusses privacy and privacy concerns among its users. So he simply promote that we use data to make products more helpful for everyone, but we also protect our information. So that is the campaign, as that is the promotional activity by Sundar Pichai. So these type of people, whatever they said in social media, or else what are their opinion towards the privacy project, it will be more valued, because they are in tactical position, and then they have a good relationship with different organization, because Google is integrated with a n number of organization, and it is a Google is a free platform for all of us, so that every news or every information is good, and many of the people, they follow this type of persons. So maintaining a good relationship, it increases trust as well as the business opportunities. All right, next we have another example that the public relations has changed the scenario of a company. It is a charitable trust. It is a ALS in US, and they have promoted one challenge, that ice bucket challenge. It is a popular one in social media, and then even in India also we have our movie stars, sports stars, politicians, and the celebrities, they are joined in the ice bucket challenge. What happened through this ice bucket challenge is it increases the annual funding for research around the world by 187%. 187%. So the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge was more than a viral video sensation. It was also started by the ALS Association and raised an incredible level of awareness around the need to find a cure for extremely serious illness. So it is a social campaign which promotes against the illness, and then it causes, and it is raised the funding for the research around the world by 187%. That is the power of public relations. And we conclude with the global brand, that is Apple. So what Apple maintain a public relation? So to ask less of the planet, we ask more of ourselves. That is the theme. It means that we try to create products that are the best in the world and the best for the world, and we continue to make progress toward our environmental properties or priorities, like powering all Apple facilities worldwide with 100% renewable energy, creating the next innovation in recycling with Daisy, our newest disassembly robot, and leading the industry in making our materials safer for people and for the earth. And every product we make, in every innovation we create, our goal is to leave the planet better than we found it. So what a beautiful theme, that we protect our planet. We have to use renewable energy. We have to recycle our products. So these are all the concepts which are promoted by the Apple. Because in electronic goods, we have, we know very well the radiation, or else it may not be good for the human beings. It may create some nonsense in environment. So we have to deal with all these particular things that promoted by the Apple company. So they are maintaining good relations with the society. It is a social angle, right? Thank you very much. Thank you.